viewers, yeah, it's Relic here. Right, I'm assuming that you've tried to make some bread, and look at this again here. Look at this. She's flipping perfect. It's my bread slicer. Oh, look at that. Makes the job a lot easier. So today I'm going to use Relic's homemade bread, and we're going to have poached eggs, so on toast. So look at that for a gadget. Let me know if you want one, I'll tell you where to get it. Anyway, right, the next thing you need is an egg poaching pan, I think. A bit of water. And just tip some water in here, like this. You know when you've got enough in. I'm filling it up so water's touching bottom of the cup, right? Almost floating, right? Next job, I'm having 2 eggs, so I'm going to spray some oil in 2 cups. Squeeze the finger. Make sure all the cups coated with a bit of oil. Probably put too much in there, but it won't do it. So this stops the eggs from sticking too much. They still might stick quite slightly, but not too much. Alright. Right. Next job is crack the egg. Try not to break the yolk. And just pour the egg in. Cup or cups with oil in. Right, bang on the stove and bring the water to the boil. When the water starts boiling, you'll see the eggs start cooking, and when they start going white on top, that's when I stick my bread in the toaster. Toast the bread. All you need to do, butter your toast and garnish your eggs with a little bit of chives, and you've cracked it. Nice, healthy snack, breakfast, lunch, whatever you want. So, eggs are turning white now, so put the toast on. So, just use a knife, scoop it out, your eggs out. Nice and simple that. I'll try and get you an angle where you can see what I'm doing. Just put a knife around the edge of the egg and just ask it to come out nice and easy. There you go. So, garnish. Bit of salt. Bit of pepper. And I'm going to enjoy that.